Hello, everyone. We are really excited for you guys to see our app. My name is Willa. I was one of the mentors for this group.
And my name is Derek. I'm also a mentor.
And this is Kyle, Kaylee, Jad, and Aiden, and they all worked incredibly hard on this app. And I'll hand it over to them.
Our app is Just the Professor, the high school chemistry edition. We, as high school students, found a few issues with STEM education in the U.S. STEM is an area of education that America, in comparison to other countries, is lacking in. Without students being excited about science, technology, engineering, and math, we would have less people doing these things as jobs, and these jobs are essential to society. It's one thing to have students memorize things on these topics, but it may not stick with them past a certain time, and they may not like it. But explaining how it connects to topics in real life makes a real difference.
What our app does is it was designed to educate high schoolers about introductory chemistry. We did this by having it relate to real life with easy-to-grasp miniature quizzes that take concepts about chemistry, like pressure or chemical reactions, and relate it to topics about that, like baking. From there, there's the option to take a short quiz in exchange for cool unlockables for our esteemed professor. The kind of people we wanted to use this app are high schoolers who are either struggling or just generally uninterested in STEM, and we bring them in using encouragement and an ability to customize to give them incentive to keep playing. We also wanted students who were motivated or just wanted to learn more by giving them novel topics and a simple way to review that isn't just plain studying.
I'm just gonna give a little more info about our app. We're using the operating system Android because we can reach a wider range of people, because Android has more users than any of the other operating systems, iOS, Windows, and others. Also, one thing that we like to add in the future is we like to add pictures to our lecture slides, like visual aids or something to make it a little more interesting. Also, one of the reasons that we have installments, such as the chemistry edition, is because if we had all of the STEM topics, the STEM topics such as science and math, we would have like this enormous app, and it would be much harder to use. So we would have to upload it as installments. And pass this on to Kyle.
Thank you. Yeah, so this is our app, our home screen, and the professor here is very excited to meet you all. So I'll show you the About icon now. So basically what this is, it just shows you what it's used for, how do you use it, and about this app. It's a really quick page, so not much here. And then there's topics. Now topics, these are just the topics that will be available in the app, but so far only pressure is available right now. And these are just slides that teach the user real life concepts, wait, hold on, in an easy to grasp way. And you don't really need to see all this. But some of it is like ice skating and pressure and all that. And then lastly is unlockables. Now, this is like the exciting part, because this is like the main feature. So these are all the things that you can unlock and dress the professor, hence the name. So I'll click on the ice skates relating to pressure. Hold on, that is not good. Refresh. And now you will be taking a pressure quiz. So how much pressure do skaters apply to ice? I think it's B, I'm pretty sure. You are correct. Yay. So what happens if you get it wrong? Well, I'll just choose C because I really don't know. I am wrong. Boo-hoo. So it just takes you back to the previous question. And yeah, this is very prototype. We were gonna add like go backs to the slides, but we just don't have the time. So I'll skip that. Yay, congratulations. And then we were going to add like a score system to make it interesting. And then we were actually going to show you the professor in all its glory with all the unlockables, but we just don't have that right now. And then, yeah, that's it for the demo. Now to our closing statements.
I just want to close this out by saying us as a group, we're very excited to see this app and what it can do for our peers and younger students to understand and become interested in STEM. And I just want to thank everyone for their time and consideration, and have a great afternoon.
Two more things that we would like to add. This group was really incredible. And I say that as someone who has been through this program myself, and I don't think I've ever seen such a hardworking group. They were so collaborative, and they were so willing to, I'm like blanking on words, but they were so enthusiastic about learning new things. So we would like to present our 20 hours of community service certificates to each and every one of our favorite mentees, but we would also like to spotlight Aiden over here, who will also be getting a wishbone for his headphones for no longer being a novice at computer programming. This was his first major programming assignment, and we think he really rose to the occasion, so congratulations.
I would also like to present 20 hours of community service to each and every one of my team. Katie? Aiden?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Kyle?
Thanks.
And Jad. You're welcome. That concludes our presentation.